Uh, we're making birria today. Do you know what birria is?
Yeah.
What it is?
I think it's the meat.
When I read in Wikipedia, it says it's a Mexican dish from the state of Jalisco. Jalisco, is that, I don't know if that's the right way of saying it. The dish is a meat stew traditionally made from goat meat, but occasionally from lambs. So any other meats can be used, but we are not using goat. We are using basically a lamb today. Yeah. But we've got something to make sauce before. So we're using this. This is Ancho and Guajillo. Yeah. I'm gonna take the seeds out because we don't want shit in there, and then we're gonna boil it for a while. So if you want to cut it, I'm just using scissors to cut it up. Yeah. I'm gonna cut maybe stem. Is that right? Is that stem or stalk? Which one do you think it is? What do you call this? Stem or stalk? Probably think stalk, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not stem. Stem is like a branch. We're gonna take the seed out. Yeah. I'm gonna cut this from the middle. There you go. You see this? I'm gonna take the seed, quite a few seeds. You don't have to be perfect. You just don't want too much shit in it. That's it. Yeah. And then we got anchos. This is quite soft. We'll cut this stalk off again, and then we'll take the seeds out. So we'll cut this, slice it in the middle. This is if you want a link, where did I get this? You don't generally get this kind of chilies in supermarkets. So if you want to get it somewhere else, then I will put the link down below underneath my video in description, and you can buy it from there. Oh, this one's got no stock, so I'm just gonna rape it off and then just take the seeds off. Quite a bit of seeds, you see that? I've got a little boiling water here. I'm gonna make the fire a little bit bigger, and I'm gonna let this let it be in the water, boiling water. Okay, our chili is ready now. So see that it's soft. It's well cooked, softer than before. Yeah, it's almost cooked about 10 minutes. Just say. I'm gonna put it over here. I'm gonna make a little sauce out of it. I'm gonna add a little bit of, what do you call this? Chipotles?
No, chipotle.
Chipotle. Is that a word?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Are you 100% sure?
Yeah,
Is it called chipotle? Alright, there you go. Chipotle. That's what my daughter says. It's chipotle. I'm gonna add some of chipotles. There you go. Add 1 more spoon of it. Alright, I'll leave the link down below. I got this from Amazon. Is that right? Yeah, it was from Amazon. There you go. I'll leave this on the side, and then I'm gonna add tomatoes as well. If you got canned or chopped tomatoes, that should be fine. I will add this. And I just added just a bit amount just to mix it properly. See that? That should be enough. That's enough. See, yes. Should I be able to put this cover in? Oh, they squeeze it. There you go. And then we'll just let's clean. We're gonna put this on. Lock it up. Hopefully it works. There we go. Yeah. There you go. Sauce is ready. We got this King Pro. What is it called? Pressure cooker? It's a multiple cookers. It does, I don't know, slow cooking, rice, fish, wheat, meat. Sorry. And then you got browning, you got steam, and soap, and all these other things. All the ingredients that for making Birria, we got everything. So today we are using, what's that? How many kilos is this? 1.25 kilo of lamb shoulder, onions which have been cut into 4 quarters, and 3 cloves of garlic crushed, thyme, bay leaves. Yeah. Stock pot, lamb stock pot. We're gonna use 2 of them. That is really good. And I'm very excited to use this. I ordered this from Amazon, Mexican oregano. That's a traditional, actual oregano from Mexico. Yo, I'm gonna enjoy this, yeah? Actually, we need oil. We've got a little bit left on it, but we're gonna use this. I'm basically using extra virgin oil from Sainsbury's. Anyway, we're gonna make it. We're gonna put the chunk of lamb in it. Oh, it's too big. There you go. Looks like it's working though. It's making noise. Yeah? Is it making noise?
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna put this. We are using white sweet onion, garlic in. That's almost 3 cloves of garlic crushed. I haven't done anything. That's it. I haven't even chopped it. I'm just gonna take it down. I'm gonna add thyme. Measure this. 2 tablespoons. That's fine. And we've got a Mexican oregano. Enough. Oh, a little bit more. Yeah. 2 of these bay leaves. First thing we do is pour it down. Looks good. I'm gonna add more water. I want that mix to be submerged into the water, so I'm gonna. This will be almost cooking about what, 9 hours now. It says it's been done, so we're gonna test it now, girls. Hopefully it's right. Hope, finger crossed. First day. So I'll put this. I'll bring the camera over. Pressure release valve into open position. I know it doesn't use pressure, but I'll put it into open position. Okay, and then I'm gonna now open it. So to open it, I'm gonna move it to clockwise direction. Let's pull it up.
Ooh.
Yeah, and then if you can see this lamb, I'll make you feel it.
It smells really nice.
It does really smells good, and this is really soft. I don't want to pull it out, so I don't want to break it.
The oregano smells
Yeah.
nice.
So if you see that, you can see the bone separated as well on the meat. You can see that. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. This is doing up to now. It's really good. So let's take it out and put it on the board and then see what it does. Our Birria lamb is good. Smells good. Soft
really
and
nice.
tender. See, it's really soft. It's got separated from the bone. Smells really good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate this. I like that bone in my birria while cooking because it's got a bone marrow. I'm just gonna use my fork to pull it off. See how soft? How soft is that?
Right off.
See that? Do I need any?
My mouth is watering.
Do I really need anything to do this? See this bone got separated. Just gonna pull this out. See this?
Oh,
I don't need any force at all. This is very good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it down into smaller pieces. so that it can. Okay, I'll put that in the top. Oh, the juice is going everywhere. And then, so before we do that, I'm gonna take a little bit of this birria oil, chili oil.
Chili? Okay.
Not that spicy too. I'm gonna put it over here. I'm gonna put this now. This is my corn tortilla. Yeah? It's 50-50 corn tortilla, it's not 100%. I'm gonna flip it around.
Oh. Looks nice. Meat, lamb.
Lamb, yes.
Yep, lamb sold to be fried. Yeah.
Alright. One of those here.
You know, things like cheese and stuff. Cheese!
Right. Cheese and then a bit of onion. This is sweet onion. This is not like the onion that you eat, we normally eat. Yeah? A little bit of obviously coriander and onions, chopped onions.
Quite good. Nice dipping it in with the broth. Very soft lamb. And very nice. That's really good.
Really? Okay.
Just pour on top. If you want, guys, you can pour it inside, but we want to pour on top.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'll end the video at this time. Do not forget to subscribe. We're gonna make more videos of cooking, and hopefully you will like it more. I'm gonna make different things every time. I'm gonna make Asian, Chinese, all different sorts of traditional foods. So hopefully you will like it. Don't forget to please like it and subscribe it and follow us. Yeah? I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Say goodbye, go.
Bye.
Bye.